Hello, Sari stars. Shubh Dhanteras to each of you. I hope you're all enjoying the celebrations of Deepavali. I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have a Dhanteras special collection of Kanjivaram silk saris for you. These saris are grand, beautiful, and majestic, and I'm sure you'll love this collection. So let's get started with these saris. A majestic Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unique mehendi color. This one is a stunner. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a unique Maradani or Mehendi color. This one has Ganda Berunda and Chakram motifs in zari all over the body. The borders of the sari have Kili and Kuilkand motifs in zari, and the dark green selvage enhances the look of the sari. The deep plum purple pallu of the sari has gorgeous motifs of kili, that is parrots, gudara, that is horses, and diamond shaped motifs all done in zari. The sari has a deep plum blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and you can accessorize this sari with some traditional gold jewelry or diamond jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unique and unusual combination of brown and pink. This one is sure to make heads turn this Deepavali. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual and rare combination. The body of this sari is in a beautiful mix of rust and magenta. The borders of the sari are in magenta with zari lines. The grand magenta pallu of the sari has elaborate zari motifs of diamond, gudra, that is horses, and yali motifs. The sari has a magenta blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a gold necklace. If you're a fan of the actor Rekha, then you're sure to fall in love with this gorgeous, stunning Kanjivaram silk sari with a long, grand pallu. A stunning Yanna Arakku Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a beautiful color and it is perfect for special occasions. The border of the sari has Banaras motifs in zari. This sari has Rekha-like grandeur and it has a long pallu with beautiful zari motifs in diamond shape, pakshis and Banaras motifs all in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional classic gold jewelry. is a very elegant Ayram Butta Kanjivaram silk saree in a very unusual combination. A very elegant Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of the saree is in a very pretty pastel pink and there are Mail Chakram Ayram Buttas all over the body of the saree. This is done in a lovely elegant pearl color. The borders of the saree are in red and there is a yellow band at the outer edge which adds to the contrast of the saree. There are 2 stripes of zari on the borders. The pallu of the saree is in red and it has Tazhambu Rekha in zari. The saree has a red blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with classic pearl jewelry. A Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree in a festive and auspicious combination. This one is in green and red. One of my absolute favorites from today's collection. This is a gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk saree with bold paisley or ambi motifs in zari all over the body of the saree. The borders are Korvai borders in red and it has Rettepettu zari borders which adds to the beauty of this saree. The red pallu of the saree is grand with its majestic motifs of yana, that is elephants, vanki and pakshi motifs all done in zari. The saree has a red blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a diamond necklace or gold necklace. I hope you enjoyed our Deepavali special collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees over the last few weeks. We have brought to you various colors and designs in Kanjivaram silk sarees, a mix of the contemporary and the vintage ones. This tussar saree has block prints in the timeless combination of red, black and cream. A lovely tussar saree in creamish beige. This one has pretty floral prints in red and black. The saree has narrow black borders. The black pallu of the saree has bold prints in purplish blue and maroon and these are circular prints. This pallu is a showstopper of the saree. The saree has a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with a strand of pearls. A tussar saree with block prints on a green base with a beautiful mango pink border. This one is beautiful. A lovely tussar saree in a subtle sage green. This one has block prints on the lower part of the saree. The lovely vibrant borders in a mix of mango color and pink provide a beautiful contrast to the green body. The pallu of the sari has bands in mango color and pink color, and the block print on the pallu is similar to those on the body. The blouse fabric is a beautiful mix of mango color and pink, and there are block printed motifs which will come along the sleeves, and these motifs are similar to those on the body of the sari. A tussar sari in grey with block prints. This one spells sheer elegance. The body of this tussar sari is in a lovely graceful grey, and the block prints are in a combination of off-white and black. The borders of the sari are also block printed in a similar color combination. The pallu of the sari has lovely block prints in a similar combination as those on the body. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrast black blouse. You can accessorize this sari with pearl or beaded jewelry. A tussar sari reminiscent of the saris worn by the Bollywood icons in the 70s and 80s. This one is in a beautiful brown and it has vintage floral designs. It's a beautiful screen printed sari. A lovely tussar sari with vintage vibes. This one is in a lovely rich shade of chocolate brown and the floral prints on it are in a beautiful combination of pink and green. The pallu of the sari is in a gorgeous shade of green similar to the border color. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same green as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with beaded jewelry. When Kanjivaram meets Lambani hand embroidery, the result is nothing but breathtaking. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari with intricate Lambani hand embroidery done by our women artisans from Karnataka. A very pretty pastel pink Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has cuttums or checks all over the body. This has been made beautiful and stunning by our women artisans from Karnataka. Intricate and elaborate Lambani hand embroidery adorns the body of this sari. The borders of the sari have also been embroidered with Lambani hand embroidery. The deep pink pallu of the sari retains the Sipireku of the Kanjivaram in zari, and it has been enhanced and made very beautiful with intricate and vibrant Lambani embroidered motifs on the pallu. The blouse fabric of the sari is in deep pink and it has Lambani embroidered motifs. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a blouse in any of the colors based on the embroidery threads on the sari. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry or silver jewelry. Vibrant bandhani by our artisans from Kutch on a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari make this unique and exclusive. This is a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. Vibrant bandhani in blue with white dots is done all over this sari. The sari doesn't have borders, there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The pallu of the sari is in mustard and it has zari cuttams or checks all over it. This mustard pallu provides a beautiful contrast to the blue bandhani body. The sari has a blouse fabric in mustard color with zari kattam similar to the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Some amber beads would look lovely with this sari. Rangili or multicolored Phool Patti sari on Kota. This one is done by our women artisans from Aligarh and it's on a lovely beigish color. Rangili is our exclusive Kota sari with multicolor Phool Patti ka kaam on it. The sari is in a lovely beigish color and the flowers are in multicolors. Pink applique has been done along the lower edges of the sari to give it a beautiful contrast from the multicolored Phool Patti ka kaam on the body. The pallu of the sari is beautiful and elaborate with Phool Patti ka kaam in multicolors. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual combination. This one is in a beautiful pink with an orangish pink border. This is a very pretty Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a lovely shade of pink and there are Mara Thuli or raindrop motifs in zari all over the body. The borders are in a gorgeous orangish pink color and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The pallu of the sari is in the same orangish pink color as the borders and it has Sipireku in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a green necklace. This is a rare Kanakambara colored Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has Pakshi buttas and circular buttas in zari. The borders of the sari have zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, and pakshis. The majestic pallu of the sari has grand and intricate motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis, and vanki motifs, all done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful magenta or rani pink blouse. You can accessorize this sari with a kemp addige. A must-have Vanasingaram Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very rare combination of purple and silver grey. A breathtaking Vanasingaram Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is woven by our master weaver and it's in a very unique combination of deep purple and silver grey. The body of the sari is in a very deep purple and the Vanasingaram motifs are there all over the body and it's in a lovely silver grey. The borders of the sari are exquisite with Darbarpet motifs in zari. The pallu of the sari has Banaras motifs in zari along with zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a lovely silver colored blouse. You can accessorize this sari with pearl or silver jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage color combination. This one is in a beautiful brown rust with a black border. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a vintage color combo. The body of the sari is in a beautiful rust brown color. There are circular zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders are in black and there are paisley motifs in zari along the borders. The black pallu of the sari is exquisite and it has zari motifs of pakshi and diamonds. The sari has a black blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual shade. This one is in a beautiful light golden color. A Kanjivaram silk sari in a very elegant and unusual shade. This one is in a light golden color and there are zari buttas of yana, that is elephants, and circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders have Kuilkan motifs in zari along with yana, that is elephants, and peacock motifs in zari. The grand pallu of the sari is breathtaking and the zari motifs on it are those of kudara, that is horses, yana, that is elephants, mayil, that is peacock, and banaras motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with almost any blouse. You can accessorize it with different kinds of jewelry depending on the occasion. A very pretty pastel pink Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a stunner. It's a classic sari and it's perfect for gifting to your friends and family this festive season. This is a very lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a pretty pastel pink and there are diamond shaped motifs in zari all over the body. The deep plum pallu of the sari provides a lovely contrast to the pastel pink. The pallu has seepareke in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and pair it with contrasting green jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk sari in Paimadi Kattam design. This one is in shades of parrot green. A stunning and majestic Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in Paimadi design and the Pai Kattam are in shades of gorgeous parrot green. The sari has tissue zari borders and a deeper parrot green selvage. The pallu of the sari is in deeper green and it has seepareke in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A simple gold necklace or pearl necklace will look fabulous with this sari. A vibrant festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in orange and the border is a beautiful short color. A classic Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a fabulous shade of orange. There are zari kattams or checks all over the body and there are manga or paisley motifs and pakshi motifs in zari on the body. The borders are in a beautiful mantulir color and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The mantulir pallu of the sari has exquisite and unique motifs of pakshis, Banaras motifs and Gandaberunda motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in mantulir. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice green adige. You can shop for our fabulous and exquisite collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.